Alright, I'm making a quick explanatory video on taking your own headshots. Because I'm in studio, I'm going to actually just do it on a gray background. But I want you to notice the difference. Right now I have no light on my face. It's all overhead light. It's not very flattering. But when you get to real lights, look how much prettier this is. I've got light right in my face. I've got light on the sides. You can achieve basically the same effect by getting in front of a window. Having natural window light coming at you is very pretty. You want the light to be right in your face as much as possible, even if it feels really, really bright. Also, when you're taking a selfie, make sure, right now I'm looking at the camera. I'm looking at myself. But if I look up at the little dot that's recording me, then it looks like I'm looking right at you. So when you take a selfie, look right at the little dot, like I'm looking right at you, the camera, the lens. So some of the things, the backdrop's right up here. Now I'm touching it. I want to step away from that because I don't want the shadows going across it and what have you. And so I'm just going to take a couple of quick shots with my phone. Notice you can see my arm stretched out. And so if you do this yourself, if you literally have to do it this way, make sure that you then crop the picture so you crop your arm out. But I'm going to look right up at the circle. Take a couple of pictures, different angles, right? And so that gives me some selections, some things to choose from. But what I'm going to have my husband do, he's here with me today, I'm going to have him take a picture of me with his phone so he can step 3 or 4 feet away. So I'm just going to hold this down right here. He's going to take a picture of me. Step a little bit further back. There you go. One more. Thank you. And so the other thing I'm going to have him do, for the purpose of comparison, I'm going to have him take a picture of me with my camera so that you can see the difference between when you take a picture with a cell phone and when you take a picture with a professional camera. So it's sitting right there. Say hi. He's such a good sport. So he's going to take a picture. You're going to want to step way back. It's got the 85 on it. The lighting's already set. Just put the focal point on this eye. And go ahead and make it vertical, portrait. Okay, thank you. And so I will post the pictures and this video, and you'll be able to see the befores and afters.